चालू नहीं हुआ उनके साइड से। अरे सबन भी चालू करे છે? ओके ओके। Mr. Sabu, you can see my screen over there.
Yes, Naraji, I can see your name, face very well. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You can rename your name.
Okay, but my face is okay, but the logo of GIS Foundation on the screen. I mean,
That is there with your photo also. Yeah. I would like to say.
not just now. Just I'm talking about the slide. Yeah.
Yeah.
No slide.
Sorry.
I have just changed the screenshot. There is, you can see the any old car and a new car in the mobile.
No, not.
No, no.
Okay. Screen is not coming. Yeah, but Mr. Host is coming. Mr. Tapan is coming. Niresh bhai, can you see the screen right now?
Yes, surely.
On the screen, you can see the old car and new car in the mobile phone pictures.
No, that is not. No. I suppose Panbhai is going to run your slides.
I think then Tapan bhai need to run that slides. I think yes.
Yes. Yeah.
He was asking me. I
Yes.
said no need. I will do it, but Now I think I need to call to Tapan bhai. He's preparing. He said, I'm preparing. Just give me.
It is already now on the screen. He has shared the screen. Yeah, you can see. Yeah. So should we start?
Yeah, just a moment. I just talk to.
Yeah, surely.
तपन भाई स्क्रीन शेयर समय करवाना છે સોરી મને આપ્યું છે નીરજ ભાઈ can you see the screen sharing now?
હા, હવે બે કાર દેખાય છે, એના પછી some classical example અને innovation is life now. Last screen is there.
મને આ ઓલ્ડ કાર નો ફોટો વાળો આવી ગયો.
આવી ગયો.
Okay.
Perfectly આવી.
તપન ભાઈ, shall we start now? Sorry.
Yes. આપણે ચાલુ કરીએ. નરેશભાઈ, please.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay. Neeraj bhai, shall we start now?
Yeah, surely.
Yeah,
Should I?
please.
Yeah, thank
please.
you very much. So, good evening, everyone. We are 34, and I hope we cross half century within 5 minutes. Yeah. So, we will start with our basic brief introduction. I would say I, on behalf of GIS, welcome you all in the 10th year, the most sought after the talk series of Innovation is Life in the 7th session. The series is well received by students, academicians, and industrial peoples. Yeah. As you know, GIS is working towards the inculcating culture of innovation. In Gujarat and with the GIS Foundation, we are all set to go pan-India. With this, I would like to take a note that the series of this series is powered by Wellspan Group, and we are thankful to them for joining this moment of innovation, wherein we reach more than 3.3 lakhs peoples, like-minded peoples. Yeah.
Okay.
And the series is supported by the movement partners like Gujarat State Plastic Manufacturing Association, Asia IT Association, Gujarat Dye Stuff Manufacturing Association, Gujarat Chemical Association, Gujarat Pharmaceutical Association, Indian Drug Manufacturer Association, GUSEC, DPU Innovation and Incubation Center, University Incubation Center, and Computer Society of India, Ahmedabad. Yeah. And now I would come to the topic. Today is our speaker, Mr. Naresh Mistry, who is the director of Perfect Equipment Private Limited. Mr. Mistry is a dynamic leader and motivator, and has pushed the organization in discovering new horizon in the industry with unbeatable service standards. To be innovative and to stay ahead in the fire cyclical competitive global world is his motto. So I would like to not take much more time, and I would like to invite Mr. Naresh ji to have his talk on innovation. Please, Naresh ji.
Thank you, Mr. Niraj Shah. Namaskar to everybody. Welcome here. I would like to thank GIS to provide me with the opportunity to present my thoughts today. I am not accustomed to speak at a public forum for a long, and hence I would like to apologize in advance for any errors I make during my speech. I have been involved in the field of machine design and manufacturing for the last 35 years. And during this period, the only thing that have been constant is changing by finding opportunities to improve the performance of the machine, or changing to increase the efficiency of the manufacturing process itself. We have always strived to provide our customers with the best product possible. And this is not a unique to our industries. When change is focused on continuous improvement for the ultimate benefits of our customer, it is what we call innovation. Some classic example of innovation are journey from the first car that Ford made in early 90s to the electronic cars of Tesla today. From the Motorola mobile in 1970s and the touchscreen mobile iPhone, or the foldable phone what is Samsung has introduced recently. That is, innovation has also led to the adverse effect to the industries, such as Uber in transportation, Zomato for food industries, Airbnb, Oyo, etc., etc. Innovation doesn't necessary to have a breakthrough technology. They are often possible with the simple out-of-the-box thinking, then the application of those ideas to generate practical business product. I would like to discuss a couple of case uh, studies there that will demonstrate just that. Sometime back, Europa, the lock manufacturing company, was challenged by ease which thieves break the locks. Then they approached a police commissioner of Mumbai and requested them to study what the tools the thieves they are using to break the doors and break the locks. And after that, all the studies of that particularly tools in detail, they have developed a new particular lock, which is a safe break resistance, not if the break proof, but it is really a good improvement. And that they have made after the full detailed studies, the practice and the method of the thieves, what they used to do in the during their practices. Another example of a very famous company, the 3M, the, the Post-it sticky note. One of the best selling product in the adhesive segment today is created and sold by the 3M. Dr. Spencer Sliver, a 3M scientist, was researching adhesive in the laboratory when he discovered an adhesive based on a microspores. It stuck slightly to the surface but didn't bond tightly to them. As his job was focused on finding a bigger, stronger, and tougher adhesive, his innovation was of no use to him. So the things have slipped into the ideal. At the same time, the Art Fairy, the another 3M scientist, was frustrated while practicing with his church choir. He would use a little scrap of paper to mark the hymns they were going to sing in the upcoming service by the Sunday. They would all fallen out. He needed a bookmark that would stick to the paper without damaging to the paper. He thought the seminar he had attending Dr. Sliver's microspores adhesive. Partnering with the Sliver, they began developing a product. Once they found themselves writing message on the new notes to communicate around the office, they realized that the full potential of the particularly the new idea, the rest is the history, is the Post-it. And even today, we are using into our computer screen also as an app, particularly, or even into our mobile phone as a special app for the stick it and all. Moving on a title bit around me and our continuous improvement journey at Perfect Engineering. I joined my father business at a very young age and found many things difficult to grasp. My struggle, however, helped me to develop my skill and lead me to develop an air pump. You can say it is a food pump also initially. To fill air into the any vehicle tire in 1984. In 1984, if you want to fill air into any of your vehicle tire, the only available is the air compressor. You have to go to the petrol pump to fill air in your vehicle tire. So no any other device was available. So we have just taken as a challenge, and I have developed that in 1984. I have studied completely product design, how to manufacture, how to develop, how to market. It was a period for a new and younger entrepreneur for a new innovation. That was my initial beginning study to innovate a new product, manufacturing, developing, and everything. Later on, when I joined my family business full time, with the help of some of my father friends, I familiarized myself with the concept of customer need and customer satisfaction. I realized the importance of producing and delivering goods which would benefit the customer in terms of production, quality efficiency, labor saving, low maintenance, users friendly, and economically in price. I learned very quickly that you will always have a market for such product as long as the product are innovative to the benefit to the customer. Working on such principle, working on a such principle and keeping in mind the needs of our customer into the textile industries, led to the innovative design of our new cold grinding machine those days. Earlier, this machine had only a one single axis, which a roller with the two rubber cords was mounted. You can see in the screenshot, there's a picture of conventional concept. The two orange color rubber will be simultaneously grinding with a single grinding stone. So it takes long time for grinding. Our innovative design, what we have developed, is on the right hand side, the new concept picture you can see on the screenshot, that our innovative design now made it possible to present both the rubber cords, both the rubber rollers rather, to grinding at the same time, which save a grinding time just a 50% to the compared to the conventional one. And the accuracy will be better. No need to check accuracy of each rollers individually. You will get the same accuracy on the rubber roller while grinding because both the rubber rollers has been grind at a time. So this is a really a unique new innovation, has been accepted by the textile industry, spinning industries in those days in early 90s. And that has given a really very cutting edge technology compared to our competitors. And that is just one of the success product of our company in the 90s. When our competitors started little bit later on catching up, and they also tried to copy our machine, and they have copied our this concept. So initially, again, we have a challenge to go further, that what to do into the what should be the new innovation in this product. So we just made an automatic feeding device into this machine. That was something somewhere around in 2000, early 2000, you can say. But during this process, we learn one thing, particularly that when we have developed something, a new automatic feeding device to this machine, again, the same story, our competitors started copying our machine, and we tried to patent, but we do not know how to patent it. And it's a really very hard time for me as well as my company, that we cannot protect our design, what we have today in our hand. So after discussing this long into the detail, and somehow I just found our Vijay Trivedi sir, who is really a very good gentleman and very knowledgeable person for the patent. He has helped us to protect our design by the applying a really good patent in about 2000, I think. With this, but that again a change a story of our product development and the innovation in those days. So what we take as a concept, that you find out a new jugaad in your mind, that what should be a jugaad, what should be the idea available in our mind. We put it on the paper, first of all. We make some rough sketches before that. Then we approach, yes, our technical experts and the patent lawyer, or you can say the patent experts, basically. With their help, with their advice, we put it on the paper and we apply for the patent. So we change our working style. First, we apply for the patent. Whatever ideas has been created in our mind, put it on the paper, patent it. After patent, you go into the manufacturing, you go into the commercial utilization of that registered patent or applied patent. It is not necessary that the patent has to be registered. If once you applied the patent, then yes, after your application has been in line into the patent office, you can go into the commercial production or into the design. This is what we did now today, and this is really good for us for a ethical business practice. I will just show you a small video for our latest product today, what we have into the same grinding machine business, which is having a really number of patents into the Indian patent office as well as into the European patent office, because this machine today is the fastest and the highest accurate grinding machine for the particular application available in the world. So our Swiss our competitor and German competitor has also appreciate our technology and machine. And just to protect our design with our European competitor, we have applied for the European patent also, number of patents. Can you just please start the video? A small video for 2 minutes, 1 or 2 minutes max. Yeah. This machine is having very less time consuming. You have to just feed the rollers, rendering. It goes inside, it measure the diameter automatically. Then measure the diameter automatically. It segregates the size. Then it's go into the grinding. This machine grinds about 800 numbers of this type of the rollers in 1 hour. This is the fastest machine, and the second fastest machine available by the Swiss manufacturer is only having maximum 300 rollers per hour. So we are almost more than double times into the production with the same accuracy and the same production. No, it's here. Even it is having an automatic cleaning device inside, automatic grinding. When you just grind the roller, grind the stone, it's measured automatically, and your machine will set again automatically for the fixed diameter. The positioning accuracy of this machine is less than 10 microns. Yeah. Next. Thank you. And now, what is our strategy today? After studying this all experience, and if I say into a common language कि भाई अभी हम लोग हिंदी में बोले तो डंडा खा के कहाँ तक हम अभी पहुंचे हैं, तो कि just we made in one strategy that identify the issue, accept the challenge to overcome it, design and the innovative to provide the solution. Try and find out innovative ideas and convert them into the opportunities. Take the technology to the next level, which will result in the state-of-the-art technology. This will mean more business and more return on the investment. Yes, we are, after all the activities we are doing to make good money out of that, but it should be onto the ethical way, not on the copy business and all. This is what my experience that we as an Indian, we are doing. We should stop it slowly. Make a proper demonstration, a documentation, pattern it. This will help you to protect your design and ensure that no one will take advantage of your hard work. And now the latest now we are another also developing is currently is innovative product range from my company Perfect for the textile waste recycling and into the medical textile for the cotton. Today, the whole world is going towards basically a global recycling standards. Like today, the world famous garment manufacturers like Zara, Levi's, H&M, they are asking a garment manufacturer that they should follow a global recycling standards into the textile. And the garment manufacturers, I mean the cloth manufacturer and the garment manufacturer, they should utilize at least minimum certain percentage of the regenerated fiber with the new fiber. So that will solve a lot of problems in the world, mainly into the environment problems. Landfilling is the biggest issue today, that whatever the textile waste is generated, so far people are using into the landfilling and burning. Again, it's problems. So to avoid this all the such pollution problems, this recycling standard has been fixed by the global recycling standard or organization into the textile industries. So this is what the machines has been we have developed into the India first of all, very first time. And some of the product now today we are working with the Department of Heavy Industries, Government of India, for developing machines for particularly for the medical textiles. The project is going on today in our company. This is the first time in our country, in India, yes. And we have developed this, we supplied these machines to several leading textile manufacturers of India today, as well as out of India. This is the photo of automatic absorbent cotton, what we have developed here. For producing a cotton roll and zigzag cotton plant. This picture we have installed recently about last year at one of our prestigious customer at Rajkot. This 100% import substitute project we have installed here. So yes, I would like to conclude my speech by saying that we want to develop a support system wherein we can help a new entrepreneur, new students who would like to develop something nearly new innovation into the any field of the industries, not into particularly engineering, I mean, but they need a support. The newcomers, new minds, particularly, they do not have the experience of the market. They do not have the experience of the customer. So I think I request particularly the GIS can help in this to help such kind of the new entrepreneur, newcomer, new students, that how they can convert their jugaad into a real good innovations and help them to patent it particularly. So they can also do particularly they can also do a ethical business practice in this future after developing a new patented product. This is what something a thought in my mind. I think I have nothing to say much in this. Thank you for your time today and patiently listening to me. I wish all the best of health in this unprecedented time. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nareshji. Really, it's a wonderful journey of yours, innovation, and we feel that you have done really perfect, as name says, perfect things in your life. And I would like to suggest that we can have so many startups coming nowadays with us, with new ideas. If you can mentor them or guide them in some way, they will be really very thankful to you and society as well. So we'll, yeah.
I would like to say one thing here, as you told me, that of course that I don't want to be a mentor, but definitely I want to be a helpful guy, helpful human being to the any innovator who are the listener here. If they have any difficulties, if they have any problem, whatever knowledge we have, we means myself, my colleagues are here. They are also experienced people, and they are a real technologists here. So as a team, we are ready to help any newcomer, any promoter. If they need any of our help, we are ready to help them. Definitely, we are open.
Thank you, Nareshji. And surely, I had 3 or 4 guys who are doing something out of biological waste, and they are under my mentorship. So I will suggest them your name and number if possible, and they will connect you through the things. Yeah. And thank you, Nareshji, for wonderful insight and wonderful your journey, and you do much more better. This is our heart wishes. Yeah.
Thank you.
So thank you, everyone. As I said, 48 are there and now 50 are there. So we had already reached to the half century as usual. But I would like to share everyone our links and our words to spread more innovation to the more people, and they can hear us journey and they can do much more better things in their life. So for this innovation talk, I would like to say we are really thankful to the Nareshji and all listeners. Apart from that, we are thankful to the all movement partners and power by Wellspan Group. We request all of you to join, like, share, and follow GIS on social media, so we can reach to the more people. We can spread our words to the more people, and may that help us to make their life innovative, positive, and good life. So thank you very much. all our session videos are available on GIS YouTube channels, so you can refer them, you can watch them, you can recollect them. As I said, and somebody has joined after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, they can watch your Naresh Bhai's journey, today's journey. It is very well on perfect life of the innovation, so you can watch that on the YouTube channel. And looking forward to see you on the 11th September, 4 p.m. sharp. Yeah, that is the next session of our talk series. Thank you very much, and thank you everyone to be on this platform. Thank you, Nareshji, and thank you everyone.
Okay, thank you.
Have a
Okay,
good
no,
day. Bye bye. Thank you.
bye
Take
bye.
care. Bye bye. Tapan bhai, upload kariye. Thank you.